Idhiria youth mwena inyokoli innovation. Mwanake yo excellence ri etago Muthungu. Muthungu ri akoragwo haha Kiangwaci. Ne hari constituency industrial center. One of the 36 that you have.
And he's the only person.
Athondekaga USB cables. And he's the only person who manufactures USB cables in this country. Every other USB cable yago charge thimo we na yo we yumete China. Moto ria tu no agani na your excellence todo we na jo yaku ikoro ya Kiangwaci na yakwa itho no to huthagira cia guku na mwanake yo your excellence ona ne ngumuriti oke ne jo ni umwe Muthungu uka rugama haho uguo ni mwanake munini wina miaka 70 27 na your excellence ona Muthungu ni arehe USB cable ingi hau uguo nigetha ye hau uguo Muthungu nigetha ukionie munene. This is made in Kenya by one of our own, a young boy who has decided dagokoro urumwe wa guthie kuga ati nyene ndenda wira niende hasra athiete akahingura kiganda giake na ndikite anake agi na iritu agi kenda mwanake wa miaka 25 na agathondeka kindu gitari giathondekirwo bururi uyu. What more could we do if we had the togetherness that His Excellency is talking about? Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, Muthungu akiambĩrĩria kĩganda kĩu gĩake rĩ, he has taken a loan from a youth fund. Oire roni rwa mbere rwa ciringi 80,000. Roni rũrĩa aroire rwa mũico rwa ku import machine ĩrĩho ya ku recycle plastic. Aroire roni rwa 1.4 million from the same youth fund. And that is the story of 600,000 other beneficiaries that under 1,300 SME groups that have benefited from those funds.